What's up, YouTube? How's it going? I want to talk to you about this retaining wall here we just built in Rochester Hills, Michigan. The client before had a brick and mortar retaining wall that was failing with some CMU behind it. They contacted us and we proposed the idea of putting a Unilock Pisa wall with a tiered effect to match the terrain. So that's exactly what we did here. We built them a Unilock Pisa 2 wall with a matching cap and some nice cuts. We've also got, most importantly, our drain here, because we are essentially blocked in on all sides in this patio. There's walls on all four corners, so there's nowhere for water to escape, minus here and the center drain. So this is a super simple install we did here. It's about 3 feet tall and gets to about, I'd say, 2.5 feet tall. So another simple project from Odd Jobs, the retaining wall in Rochester Hills. Looks super nice, took about 2 days to do. It's gonna retain the dirt well, it's got drainage, and yeah, super simple. If you're enjoying our videos, and or if you're looking for a retaining wall, feel free to give us a contact. But if not, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much.